Today's hairstyle video, I'll be making African threading hairstyle for my baby girl. All right, anytime I want to stretch her hair, I thread her hair because it helps the hair to straighten. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. Like, African hairstyle helps to straighten the hair instead of using maybe hair straightener to straighten her hair, because she's still very small and I don't want to use heat on her hair. For now, she's still very small, so I thread her hair African way to make her hair to be straightened. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. So right now I'm trying to moisturize the hair. First of all, I used her hair detangler, which is I use Avon Natural, and then I go in with coconut oil, and then I went in with flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel helps also to moisturize the hair and is mostly beneficial if you want to have a coil waist. Yeah, that is what the flaxseed gel helps to do. Okay, but then it also serves as a hair moisture. It also helps to moisturize the hair. So right now, yeah, I'm trying to pat the hair on how I will work on it, and then I'll be using what is it called? Oh god, I'll be using a Brazilian wool to thread the hair. Okay, but then I'm not going to, part the hair in smaller parts because she's a baby. Kids don't have patience to sit for long. So you have to always make quick hairstyle for them. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. And I didn't hold it too tight. Okay, my baby didn't cry on this hairstyle because I didn't grip it too tight for her. So it's very easy, no cry, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share our video, please. A lot of you watch our video without sharing. Please help us to share, help us to grow this page, and help us to grow our YouTube as well. If you are watching from YouTube or you are watching from Facebook, please help us share, like, and yeah, follow us for more. And I will leave you guys now to enjoy the video. Okay.
My woman, they give me joy. Oh, when you hold yourself, wait for you to replace them for me. I know them go never leave me up to me dirty. Now why we they call them? I try to go when your mama told me one day I'm gonna be a star. I say now my woman make me no say I'm gonna be a star. I love my African woman. She they give me the ginger. My African woman, she dey give me the ginger. Oh mama, Nemo, Ahorongina, you're my African woman.